Dear students, greetings. Myself, Dr. T. Senthilmurugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Varangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about managing input and output operation. Under this topic, we are going to discuss about reading and writing a character. How we will read a character, how we will write the character in C language, that we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So this is week 3, lecture 2, classroom discussion topic 8. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about reading a character and writing a character in programming C. This is the lecture outcome. After completion of this lecture, student will be able to write a C program with managing input and output operations like reading a character and writing a character. So first one, we will see about reading a character. What is reading a character? The simplest of all input-output operation is reading a character from the standard input unit. So especially all input unit we will receive. Input unit means keyboard. Okay, the standard input will be used from keyboard, and writing means standard output that will be printed in the output screen. Okay. So we will get the input from the keyboard, and that is for input device. Then it will be displayed in the output device. Output is maybe in the screen. Okay. Reading a single character can be done by using the function getChar. So getChar is the function name. So just to remind it, this function name is used to read a character from the keyboard. Okay. So while you are writing the key program, if you want to perform some operation after getting a character, for that situation you can use the getChar. Okay, so how you can write it? So example, variable name equal to getChar function. So that means this function will get a character from the keyboard and it will assign to the variable. Okay, so example, x equal to getChar. If it is there, means no space actually here. Okay, getChar is this function name. Okay, function means ending with parenthesis. It should be there. If it is like that, it will get a character and it is assigned to x. Okay. So this is getChar function is used to get the value for the character. So when we are using this function, what it will do? The computer will wait until you are pressing any key from the keyboard. Once you are press the key, then getChar function is getting that value and the computer will continue. Okay. So till that time, it have to wait. So in getChar function, what it will be happen? It is used on the right hand side of an assignment statement, and character value of get character is in turn assigned to the variable name of the left. Okay. So getChar function should be right side of the assignment operator. The value will be stored in the left side of the assignment operator. So now you just see these examples. If in case character name, so the name you want to get one character from the keyboard means you can use the getChar function. Okay. So we'll assign the character h to the variable name when you are pressing the value h in the keyboard. Okay. So even if we are using this getChar, we must be use the parenthesis because it is a function. Okay. So how we know that it is successfully read the character? GetChar function is called successfully to read the character contained on the line of text also. Line of text means continuous text also. Okay. How it will be there? So for that we will write this code. Example, I declare character Okay, char character equal to, I am given only single quotes, no character is there. While character not equal to next line, it will get char. The character will get the values. Okay. So what it will do continuously, it will take one line of input. When you are going your cursor to new line, then it will stop to get the character. Till that time, it will have to wait for getting the character from the user. So in case what happened, if we are using that getChar function, it accepts any character keyed in. Okay, so you can press any character in the keyboard. So including return or tab also, you press any key, it will take that value. Okay. So that means it will get the character from the keyboard till the character function will go for new line. So we can do that using the loop functions also. So in case dummy getChar function, you can use maybe used to eat unwanted new line characters. So if any unwanted new line character is there means you can use the getChar function for cancel it. Okay. So after getting the character, you can use this function for performing the character test function. Okay. So what character you are given? You are given is the digit. If you are given, you are pressed which character, which digit. Are you pressed the values 0 to 9? If for that it will check. Okay, the C is the input value. The C is digit or not. You can check with is digit. This is the inbuilt function. Okay, this function will check your character is digit or not. Okay, so here is ALNUM. ALNUM means alphanumeric number or not. Okay, this is alphabetical character. Is alpha means alphabetical character or not. This is alphanumeric or not. Is the digit or not. It is the lowercase letter or not. Is print. Is print means it's a printable character or not. It's punch. It is punctuation marker or is space. It is the space or not. Or is uppercase letter or not. So what key you are pressed? That key is which type of character that you can say using these functions. Okay. So there is in C language get C, get char, get ch, get che. So these four functions are there. These four functions have some small differences. You just read this. Okay. So what happened? Get C. Get C means read one character from any input and then returns the corresponding value of the integer on success. Okay. On failure, it then returns the end of file. Okay. Getchar means Getchar is capable of reading from the standard input. Okay. Standard input means from the keyboard. It will get the value. Okay. So hence Getchar becomes equivalent to the getch. So standard input is there that will take. So getch now we seen that it is capable of reading the single character from any given keyboard. From the keyboard, it will get the value. Okay. So directly it will get the value from keyboard. This does not make use of any buffer. Okay. There is no buffer will be used. Whatever character you type, that will be displayed. Getch means it is also given keyboard it will read, but immediately on output screen without the character having wait for the enter key. So it will show the character. If you are using getch means it will get the value from the keyboard as well as it will display it in the monitor. So writing a character, so reading a character over. For writing a character, wherever we discussed getchar, no, so instead of that we will use putchar. So putchar means whatever you use, this is also function. This is output function putchar. So whatever variable name you are given, that will be printed. So variable name may be characters. Okay. So character variable containing a character. So how we can write it? So answer equal to y. So example, this is the variable answer. So how we can declare the variable char answer. This is the variable for character. So I assigned the value for answer equal to y. If when we are assigning the single quote, you have to use. So this is the statement. After assigning, put char answer. Okay, so what is answer? Y. So it will print y in the screen. The statement put char slash n. If you are given slash n means cast the cursor on the screen to move the beginning of the next line. So wherever you are using slash n, if you are using put char means automatically cursor will go to new line. Okay. So here for writing a character we have three functions: is lower, or to upper, or to lower. Okay. So if you got some capital letter means you want to convert into lower letter means to lower you can use. If you want to convert to upper layer means to upper you can use. Okay. So the writing a character you can use put character. So the function to upper converts to lowercase argument into uppercase alphabet, while the function to lower does the reverse. So now we are discussed about reading a character as well as writing a character. Reading a character using getChar function we have used for read the character. If till using that slash n, it will get a line of input for getChar function. PutChar function, it will print the character based on the variable, character variable. And if it will give slash n means it will cursor will move to new line. So now we are in the end of the video. We are discussed about reading a character and writing a character. Having completed this discussion, now students should be able to understand or write a C program with managing input and output operation like reading a character and writing a character. Okay. So using getChar function and putChar function. So you can use getCH and putCH function to read and write a character using C programs. So I hope you are enjoyed this video, or I hope you are able to understand what is managing input and output operation like reading a character and writing a character. Further doubt, you can check chapter 5 managing input and output operation of textbook, which is authored by E. Balaguru Swami. Okay. Even further doubt is there, you can check weekly tutorial sheet. Then even if you have doubt, we will discuss in the classroom. Thank you very much for listening this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you very much.